Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at Bear Discovery. You can do a quick video tutorial on the propane-powered fireplace outside. Now, in order for this to work, there's two things that need to happen. Here's the power cord that actually runs to the fireplace. Here's your on-off switch. It's in the on position currently. And over here, you have the regulator, the valve. That needs to be in the on position, which means that it's flowing. So if you turn it off this way, system turns off because there's no gas. And then it'll turn back on. So if you have any questions while you are staying at Bear Discovery, you can reach out to us at 208-634-0030. Cheers.